The Representation of People Act has been out in the public domain for several months now. We've received recommendations. We're in the process of looking through those recommendations, redrafting the legislation to be tabled hopefully at the next sitting of the Parliament, and that legislation will be debated there. So that will determine to a large extent, or help to determine, transparency around the conduct of the elections and tabulation of the results and announcement of the results.
That was Vice President Dr. Bharrat Jagdeo speaking at a press conference on Friday afternoon. In the aftermath of the March 2020 general and regional elections, the PPPC government has embarked on a process of amending Guyana's main electoral law, the Representation of the People's Act. Multi-million-dollar fines and hefty jail times ranging from 5 to 10 years are among the proposed amendments for election offences. But the government has also been collecting recommendations on how these amendments can be improved. Now, with those recommendations received, the law reform process can go ahead, with the National Assembly reviewing and debating the proposed amendments. But Jagdeo pointed out that the government is also open to going even further and reviewing the governance structure of the Guyana Elections Commission, GECOM.
We will be very conscious of the 2020 period about what happened at the technical level. So any amendment to that formula will have to be replaced with some solid safeguards that ensure that elections can't be rigged by capricious action or illegal action on the part of the technical people. So we still have an open mind, but that is not going to happen by us sitting down with APNU and deciding on this.
Previously, Jagdeo had said that the government would be happy if the country's elections laws could be amended before going to the polls for local government elections. He said this would allow for a test run of the amendments ahead of the national elections set for 2025. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Raghaber.